Antarctica, the freeze-up has come in spectacular style. In winter, the continent doubles in size. It's now bigger than the USA.
Here, there are other challenges. St Andrews Bay on South Georgia is packed with 500,000 king penguins. In spring, the chicks are left for days whilst their parents are away collecting food for them. There is a simple arrangement. The chicks must stay exactly where their parents left them to be sure of being found again. But this chick has decided to look around. There is a lot to be investigated.
But even here, winter cold can crash the party.
But it must. But this chick has decided to look around. There is a lot to be investigated.